Right, morning guys. We're on a dig today with Sovereign metal detecting rallies. Should be a good one today. We are sandwiched in between Stokesay Castle and a Roman road as well, so hopefully there'll be some good finds. The heavens have just opened up. Just bear with me, turn you around. Yeah, so hopefully we'll get something good today. I've got about 4 fields to go at or so, but like I say, it's sandwiched in between Stokesay Castle and the Roman road, and I think Charles says there's an ancient right of way as well. So anyway, see you on the first signal. See you in a bit. Guys, first signal, and it's a little bullet. Cool.
Morning boys and girls. Had a couple of signals but it's just been rubbish, but I'll show you this nice little D buckle. It's a bit crude, but can't beat a buckle really, can you? Nice. It's quite deep. It was 5-6 inches. So yeah, happy with that. On a nice day today. There's Brett. Stunning views. You can't really beat it. Right, next one. Right, took about 10 steps. Just dug this clod out. See some kind of imprint there, which is obviously a good sign. So it must have fell out somewhere. There's another imprint. So that's 2 imprints. There's 2 imprints. Where's the coin gone? Or whatever it is, it could be a button. Oh, there it is. Oh dear. Oh dear. So 1p. Oh well. Coin's a coin. At least it's round. We're finding stuff. Alright, on to the next one.
Coin, and it is a 50p piece. What is that doing all the way up here? 2001. Cool. Well guys, just coming onto the next field and look at that view. There's Michael swinging away. Yeah, nice. Still only been here about 30 minutes, so we'll just keep going, see what we can get. Up to now I've had a bullet at 50p. Bit of junk. But it looks like we've got some nice land today. Cool. We'll just took that shot of the nice view that we got. Just come across the first coin. That was a bit of luck. Don't know what it is. Let's get it out. Give it a bit of a rub. Oh, it's looking like a half shit penny. 1959. I'll take that. First coin. Happy days. First musket ball of the day. That was right next to that half shit penny I've just found. So looks like someone's been sat up here looking at the view. Happy days. I like musket balls. Take that.
Right, got a signal in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. There it is. Little bird ring. It's 2009 on it. I'll Google it when I get home. See what bird it was and where it come from. Right. On to the next.
Right guys, next signal. All these sheep get out of my way. Who's on them? Anyway, quite deep this one. There it is. Let's see what it is. Oh no, doesn't feel like a coin now. What is that? Some sort of cap. It's got a lid to it. Oh, that's a hinge. It's got something written on it. Oh, this looks quite interesting. Hang on, guys. Does it say lady? Does it say lady? LADYE F. FAYRE. It's weird. Whoa. I don't know if I dare open this. Might have to come back to this. Hang on, guys. Well, that's it on the inside. Looks like one of those makeup powder thingamabobs that they used to use back in the day. Shame there was no gold coins in there, but it's interesting. I've never had one before, so I'm not going to touch it. But I quite like that. That's interesting. Michael's just radioed in saying he's got a really nice buckle. So I'll show him this, see what he makes of this. Interesting. Cool. Keep going.
Hi boys and girls, let's try showing from wind to get a bit windy now, but so this one down here, and it looks like a really nice buckle. Never had nothing like it. Find of the day so far. It's lovely that. Just there, there's the imprint. If anyone knows the age of that, just put some in the comment for me. I don't know if it's broken or not with the two ends, whether it was double sided like that, but I'll check the hole, see if there's any more, but really happy with that. It's nice. Right, next one. You done?
Hey?
You done it?
I've done it, mate, yeah.
Hey.
You look like an old-fashioned mooch. Don't know what that was.
Have a look.
Coming at 32. Bang on 32.
Not a clue. When more to go with your makeup. Oh, I've got one over here. We'll have a look. I've already dug the clod. It's over here somewhere. Keep saying it's in here. Tin foil. Great. Next one. Right guys, let's have this from down here. See the imprint there? A little bit. And turns out it's a nice button. No shank, but should clean up quite nice. Got some gold gilding on it. Oh. Nice surprise really. It sounded a bit rubbish, but yeah, I'll do. Another one for the button collection. Right, on to the next one. Right, boys and girls, I'll show you this one. I think it's a bit of costume jewellery. Nice purple stone in it, cast. It's just silver gilded, I think. But that's not how this hole I've just dug now. That was a minute ago. I was just talking to someone. Got a imprint in here, and the coins popped out just down here, and it's looking like a Vicky bunhead. Very nice. Should clean up alright, that should. I'll get date off it. No, it's 18 something. I'll clean it when I get back, but first old coin of the day, so we'll crack on. Right, still going. Just getting all the finds that was just around that area there, bits of jewellery and I've had a coin. Brett's over there, plodding along. It's got a signal down here and I've just seen it pop out. It looks like another coin. Yeah, it's a Vicky bunhead. Again, it's a bit of worse condition. 1890. There's 2 coins for today so far, 3 including a modern penny, but beggars can't be choosers. So, alright, on to the next one.
Right guys, I'm still underneath this tree. Got a nice 1718 coming through. So let's see what we got. Bit rooter, as you can imagine. Still in there. There we go. Oh, that's metal detecting for you. Sounds sweet, you dig it. Sometimes it's good stuff, but most of the time it can be like that. But I love it. Love the hobby. Crack on. On a live dig, it's hitting 30 on the knocks. Probably a tin can, isn't it, Michael? Yeah. Oh. Well, at least it stopped raining now, mate.
It's going to be a big ord. Oh, here it is.
Whoa!
Yeah. Because if it is crap, it spanked it off.
What is it?
2, I've already had one, I don't know what they are. But, junk.
On to the next one, eh? Bit of a toy car, guys. Right, guys, there's my hole. And I've just popped it out. I love it when it pops out like that. So we'll see what we got. What we got there? George the 6th. George the 6th. That's ship off, isn't it? That's another one. Is that 1937? It's in nice condition. Take that, wait for to get more. Cool. Guys, 3rd coin of the day, and it's yet again another half a ship penny. Half a ship penny day. Crack on.
Here we go. This is somebody else's hole. Scanned over it. there's a signal just down here. So I don't know what they found or what they think it is, but they haven't got to it yet, so it's probably just going to be trash. But they didn't know what it was. Lucky for them, it's a piece of lead, but unlucky for me, wasting my time digging it, but never mind. Another bit out of the ground. Right, next. Right guys. There's Brett. Let's catch him. See what he's got. No pressure, mate.
Here it is, mate, to be honest. Lost it. Bit of lead.
What you got?
Just a bit of lead, mate.
Oh. Right, I have actually got mine out and I've seen it. Mine is just there. It's some kind of pendant. Not a lot going on the back, but you know, flower design on the front. That'll do. Happy with that. Right, on the next one.
Oh wow, that's amazing. They're all the horses, aren't they?
Yeah, chariot.